Hello, and once again, welcome to the Innovate to Build Model the Future conference for 2024. I'm going to be discussing our roadmap for our Strucsoft MWF product. Allow me to introduce myself once again. My name is Susana Dutra. I am an architectural technician by trade. I started my career in an architectural office and now have been working with Graitec Strucsoft for a little over 6 years. I started off as a software application specialist. I would do corporate training for both Revit and for MWF. And now I am the product manager for MWF here at Graitec. So here at Graitec, our vision is to produce software and services to help design and manufacture, as well as manage the lifecycle and data of your AEC products. So just a little bit of housekeeping here. The roadmap I'm about to share with you is the property of Graitec, and it is subject to change, and it's in no way binding. So let me just give you a little bit of background in how, and then we'll get into the workflow. So Strucsoft MWF is the market leader for a framing solution within the Autodesk Revit environment. We offer both off-the-shelf and custom solutions that target both the AEC and fabrication sectors. Again, we are able to frame both in light gauge steel as well as in wood. So a little bit about the workflow now. So typically, our users will either get their Revit model from another consultant or they will create their own. And we will work directly in the Revit environment. We will recognize all of those Revit elements and we will frame them. So we will frame your walls, your floors, your ceilings, your flat roofs, as well as your slope roofs with trusses. We will recognize any openings within them and frame them according to we will frame them according to user-defined criteria. We also can coordinate with other trades. For clash detection, we will recognize penetrants that go through wall or through stud. Once all of that is done as well, we can automate the process of creating shop drawings, and then we move on to the manufacturing stage. So everything that you created in your Revit model can be exported. So all your wall panels, your floor panels, ceiling panels, flat roof panels, your trusses, they can be uploaded directly into our sister software called Onyx. We read several roll formers, as well as saws. So you can see we will take you right from the design all the way to the finished product. So some of the key features in MWF is the way we're able to quickly frame all of those elements is because MWF is actually a rule-based, template-driven piece of software with infinite possibility and configurations. The control is in the hands of the user. Along with this, we can provide multiple layers, including any secondary framing for furring, for example, sheathing, gypsum board if you need diagonals. We are able to provide all of that. We are also able to provide you with floor and roof truss engineering. We include engineering reports for both back-to-back trusses as well as wall trusses. One of the more appreciated tools of our software is our ability to clash detect. We have two types of clash detection. We have through walls, so any of those duct work or anything of that nature that's actually going through your wall, we are able to detect those. We are able to create an opening around those penetrants and then once again frame them according to user-defined rules. Same thing with our studs. We are able to detect through stud penetrants such as piping, electrical lines, things of that nature. And once again, we're able to create different types of holes. It could be a slot hole, a service hole, a round hole, and then again, be read by the CNC. Another thing that we are able to automate is the creation of the shop drawings, complete with cut lists. And all of this, of course, will aid in the manufacturing process. They're fully customizable. You can have as many views as necessary to communicate the intent of the panel. And then once that is done, again, we are able to output to our sister software called Onyx, where there you'll have the CNC output with all of the data for roll forming or for saws. And then it'll take you once again all the way from the beginning to the end. So from design all the way to the finished product. So there you have it. MWF's wide applicability means that the software supports various trades. It becomes interesting to contractors, commercial builders, residential builders, our offsite and modular builders as well. It really responds to the need to produce a finished product quickly and efficiently and accurately. So this is just a little overview of the things to come for MWF for the next 3 years, but I'm just really going to concentrate on the key elements. So the key upcoming elements that we've outlined for MWF is to have an interactive and dynamic custom built up section configurator, which will allow the users to kind of configure them on their own, user-friendly, interactive, and we see the configuration happen in real time. And then once that's done, we want to also do that for our opening markers. We want the clients to be able to create their own using some of these built-up sections. We're also going to be concentrating on our modular improvements as well as adding more elements to our modular command. One of the short-term ones is to capture panels within a group and create single shop drawings for those said panels. So if there's 12 groups and there's panels within that group, and I'll show you that little image, we're just going to create one shop drawing for each one of those panels, and in brackets we'll denote how many of them actually need to be manufactured. We're also going to improve our truss analysis for our roof and floor trusses. We're going to integrate with the new advanced design analysis engine. So we're going to have that engine also work in our software. And then one of the bigger things we're also working on is the capacity to be able to have an interactive and 3D panel configurator, which allows the users to see the changes before they're committed to the panel. Now, if you saw our little demo, you see that our templates are all data-driven, and now we'd like to have some graphics be applied to that so that you can see what you're actually entering as you configure your panel. So this is what I was referring to here. So this is in its infancy. We've already started working on that. So this is our built-up section configurator. So we can add as many elements as we need to that built-up section. And there the user can move, rotate, flip, so that he can create their desired built-up section. And for our modular, I talked about a little bit when we have, so those interview rooms, those are groups. And notice that I have only one single shop drawing for all of those panels there. So the interior 3 and the interior 2 are part of that group, and you see I have only one shop drawing, and in brackets I have that they need to be produced 4 times. And another one, the big one, is to convert all of our commands here in the miscellaneous tab. So once again, if you did see that demo, that's our template with all of the meat and potatoes in there. So we want all of those commands to be in a 3D configurator. So as you input data, you see it happen in real time. So in that image above, we added the horizontals. We said, okay, and we saw it before we actually committed to it. So we actually see that happen in real time. So there you have it. Those are the major key features coming up for MWF. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for joining today's session. Today we're focusing on the roadmap for Onyx. Our journey will explore the strategic direction, upcoming features, and transformative impact Onyx aims to achieve in the construction industry. While our main focus is Onyx, we'll touch on how the future integration with Advanced Workshop NextGen will enhance our platform's capabilities. Let's get started. Before we proceed, there is an important disclaimer I need to share regarding the product roadmaps we'll be discussing today. Please note that Graitec's product roadmaps are delivered as is. What does this mean for you? It means that while we are excited to share our vision and the direction we're heading, the roadmaps are proprietary, subject to change, and not binding commitments for development. It's crucial to understand that no purchase decisions should be made based on the roadmap functionality alone. This notice is here to ensure transparency and manage expectations as we move forward together. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ehsan Khooei, your guide today and the product manager at Graitec, with over 15 years in construction and 6 in technology. My path led me here from Strucsoft Solutions, part of the Graitec family. My passion extends beyond work to outdoor activities, traveling, and music. My professional toolkit is enhanced by certifications in a Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Product Manager roles, along with deep experience in Autodesk applications. My academic background in architecture and construction management fuels my dedication to bringing innovative solutions to our industry. Our first major feature update involves integrating Onyx directly with Autodesk Construction Cloud. The integration is pivotal for streamlining the workflow by allowing direct data access from the Construction Cloud to Onyx. Users will link their Onyx and Autodesk accounts to synchronize project data effortlessly, eliminating redundant uploads and fostering a more cohesive project management experience. This seamless integration not only enhances collaboration among project teams, but also significantly boosts efficiency by leveraging real-time data exchange. A significant step forward for Onyx is our move towards universal design software integration. This feature is about breaking down barriers and creating a truly agnostic platform where users can upload panels directly from any design software they are using. Whether it's for LGS manufacturing, SIP panels, or any other prefabricated elements, Onyx aims to streamline the workflow from design to production. This approach not only simplifies the process for our users, but also opens up a world of possibilities by allowing them to leverage the full potential of their preferred design tools without compromise. By enhancing Onyx's compatibility with a wide range of software, we're ensuring that our platform is versatile, user-friendly, and most importantly, capable of meeting the diverse needs of the construction industry. This strategy underscores our commitment to innovation, efficiency, and providing value to our users by accommodating their existing workflows and enhancing them through Onyx's robust features. Introducing 2 game-changing features: quick panel generation and quick profile ordering. These tools are designed to simplify the design and ordering processes significantly. With an easy-to-use interface, users can quickly draw panels or order profiles without navigating through complex software. This innovation not only saves time, but also empowers our users with more efficient, user-friendly tools, making Onyx a more versatile platform. Our focus on reusing existing data is about enhancing productivity and fostering a sustainable workflow. By allowing users to duplicate, modify, and manage panel designs within Onyx, we're not just streamlining the design process, we're also reducing the need for repetitive tasks. This feature exemplifies our commitment to innovation, efficiency, and sustainability, ensuring that Onyx users stay ahead in a competitive landscape. A transformative goal for Onyx is to elevate it into a dynamic platform for collaboration, similar to the real-time collaborative capabilities seen in leading productivity tools. This means introducing simultaneous collaborative editing, where users can concurrently edit production files, seeing instant updates, and resolving any overlaps in changes seamlessly. Imagine a scenario where multiple team members, regardless of their location, can work on the same document at the same time. Every change made is immediately reflected for all users, with a smart conflict resolution mechanism in place to handle any overlapping edits without disrupting the workflow. The implications of this feature are profound. It significantly boosts team productivity by enabling faster, more efficient editing workflows and minimizing miscommunications through live updates. This is especially crucial for prefabrication construction manufacturers who operate with large-scale teams in multiple locations and complex projects. Our competitive edge lies in this advanced collaborative functionality, positioning Onyx as the preferred platform for manufacturers seeking to enhance project coordination and execution. The Next-Gen Advanced Workshop represents a visionary leap forward, aiming to create a comprehensive browser-based fabrication platform that is OS and device agnostic. This platform is tailored for the modern construction industry, supporting designers, modelers, fabricators, and manufacturers in managing and creating building panels and modules across various materials, including LGS, wood, SIP, hot rolled steel, rebar, and precast concrete. Our vision extends Onyx capabilities through integration with next-gen functionalities, focusing on 6 key areas. 1, project lifecycle management. Streamlining the entire process from project initiation through to completion, enhancing project tracking and management. 2, quotation generation. Implementing tools for quick, accurate code generation that consider materials, labor, and overhead, complete with customizable templates and revision tracking. 3, inventory control system with basic MRP. Managing inventory levels of raw materials and finished goods more efficiently while enabling material requirement planning features for better resource management. 4, production and task orchestration. Creating and managing work orders more effectively, scheduling production, and optimizing task allocation across workstations. 5, design feedback mechanism. Facilitating a direct feedback loop from the production floor to the design team for real-time updates and modifications within the ERP system. 6, simplified machine learning integration. Taking initial steps toward incorporating machine learning algorithms to analyze production data, improve forecasting, and support decision-making processes. Through the next-gen functionalities, Onyx is set to offer unprecedented support to the construction industry, making it a more versatile and powerful tool for our target markets, especially prefabrication construction manufacturers. This integration not only enhances Onyx's operational capabilities, but also firmly establishes it as a frontrunner in construction technology innovation. As we reach the conclusion of today's presentation, I want to emphasize a crucial point. Our roadmap is not set in stone. It's a dynamic blueprint, one that's open to change, especially based on invaluable feedbacks from you, our clients and partners. Your insights, experiences, and needs are pivotal in guiding the evolution of Onyx over the next 3 years. We're not just inviting you to view our roadmap. We're inviting you to engage with it. Share your thoughts, your challenges, and your aspirations. Tell us what excites you about the future functionalities we've outlined and where you believe there's room for adjustment or improvement. This collaborative approach ensures that as Onyx grows and evolves, it does so in a direction that brings the most value to you, addressing the real-world demands of the construction industry with precision and innovation. So let's open the floor for discussion, feedback, and any question you might have. Your engagement today helps shape our journey tomorrow, ensuring that together we build a future where Onyx continues to lead and redefine the standards of the construction technology. Thank you for your attention, your trust, and your willingness to collaborate. Let's continue this conversation beyond today's session. Your feedback is not just welcome, it's crucial for mutual success. Thank you.
Well, good morning, everybody. We hope you enjoyed today's product roadmap session. I'm going to invite our product managers, Susana and Ehsan, to the stage as we look forward to addressing your questions or comments.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for attending this session.
And as a reminder for our viewers today, this session's recording will be available on demand in case you would like to watch it again at a later date. We would also like to inform you that if you had any questions or comments at a later date about this presentation, feel free to reach out to us at info@strucsoft.solutions.com. You can email us there, and we will be happy to address you at a later date. And it seems like we don't have any questions or comments at this present moment. So having said that, we would like to thank you once again for joining us, and we hope you have a great day today, and we hope you continue to enjoy this wonderful Innovate to Build event. Have a great day, everybody.